Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the gorgeous Beat by Brit. She's about to get me together. We're just going around to makeup artists in the city, the metro Detroit area. So make sure you book an appointment. This is Brit. Introduce yourself.
My name is Brit. I've been doing makeup for about 6-7 years.
Wow.
Yes, and this, oh my god, Deb is like, she's an artist, y'all. I know I'm a makeup artist, but this is like the artist. Like, I'm just lost for words now because this is like almost a dream to me because I used to watch her, y'all, like first starting out, and like this was my biggest inspiration with doing makeup, and I would like follow along with her videos. I love it. And now look at me, like my own artist. Like, it's crazy. Now we about to beat her my way, and I'm just so in awe right now, y'all. I love everything about what she's doing, bringing together all these artists, showing everybody the artistry that's here in Detroit. Is so much talent.
It's so much talent. Like, they be
so much talent, and I'm just so happy and honored to be able to touch her face.
Yes, I'm so
let's get started.
Let's get started. She's about to get me together. I'm ready. Brit was an absolute joy, y'all. We had such a fun appointment. We talked about everything, okay? Everything with beauty. And you could just hear the excitement in her voice and just how excited she was to have her inspiration come and, you know, book an appointment to get beat down by her. And the fact that I'm the inspiration is crazy, making me think like it's one of those moments where it's like, me? Little old me? Is getting you this excited? Like, girl, I'm excited, okay? Because your work is absolutely gorgeous. And so I just really had a great time. I want to talk a little bit about my appointment because I'll rant about how great she was all day, okay? But I just loved her huge window in front of this chair, y'all. Her studio is so gorgeous. It was so beautiful and so open and bright. I loved it. She also had a lot of lighting, so say it is like a, you know, a gloomier day. Y'all know how Michigan be, okay? It was just so like nice to have that window there as well as the lighting. So that's why like this is such a bright appointment. I loved it. And so it was so sunny outside. It was nice. Oh, it was just, this whole appointment, I was just so excited. Everything ate down. You just see how she's taking care of my face, getting me together. Something crazy, baby, snatching me up. She's literally not adding much product, which is also so great too. It feels like not much makeup on my face, and she's definitely getting me together. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Brit was just such a joy. Y'all see me laughing during this appointment. Like, I was having such a good time. She was just so nice. And also, like, these are well-known, also very respected makeup artists in the city, y'all. So everybody talks about how great Brit was. When I posted this, you know, when she posted the pictures on her page, like, people were just so excited to see us together and just talked about how great Brit is and how many appointments they've had and how much they love her. It was just so good to see everybody kind of come together. I love it. I love it. It's doing exactly what I wanted this series to do, where it just gives people like an idea of who maybe they want to go to. Seeing the makeup put on my face and how I usually do my makeup, they're like, okay, so this must be their makeup style. And that's exactly what I've wanted out of this series. So I've had a lot of fun. More appointments to come, okay? But as of you seeing it, Brit is just eating down. Look at how smooth my face looks just off of a few products. Like, she's only put foundation, concealer, and powdered my face, and now she's bronzing me up. And I love the outcome of this makeup. Y'all just wait for it, okay? Also just love how confident Brit is in her work. She did not second guess what she was doing. At least it didn't look like it, okay? She was getting me together and quickly eating down, okay? I literally just felt like I felt like so pampered, y'all. I felt so pampered, and I just really enjoyed myself, y'all. how she's snatching my brow? Seeing this back is crazy because I could just kind of feel what it felt like, and then seeing the end result just is crazy to see how she really snatched my brow like this. Wow. Love it. Tell how comfortable she is with talking to her clients just off of the fact that she's able to clean my brow like that and talk to me the whole time. Let me tell you something. When I'm doing my brows, baby, nobody better say a word. I be focused. So you could just tell how often she probably talking to her clients, talking during the appointments. Because I kid you not, like, I am never able to do that. I'll be too focused. So she was able to let me talk while she cleaned my brow up. I'm over here looking like, Deb, shut up. You see her working, like, but we were just having such a good conversation. I didn't even notice it at the time. So she really did make me feel so comfortable, and I love that. I love it. Y'all see, the eye look is about to come together. Oh, I loved what she did. This is her signature soft glam, and I'm so here for it. Like, what? I will let y'all know the exact appointment I booked when I booked with everyone. And so I really just loved this. Also, she taking care of me, because this right here be taking me out. That waterline, it do not feel this bad when I be doing it myself. When other people do your waterline, it's like you just see their eye, that you see their finger coming towards your eyeball, and it's something about it it's just crazy. I don't know. But she really did put the puff under there to make sure I didn't, like, you know, start freaking out. So it was just good. She decided to add some shimmer, y'all. Hold up. She done added some shimmer. And when I tell y'all, it's giving wet eyes. Like, what? Yeah. And everybody just loved a good lash. Like, she loved a good lash. So do I, babe. Loved it, okay? A good new glossy lip, and this is a pinky gloss too. Yes, ma'am. Come on, Britt. Snatching me, baby. Like, the face is eating. It's just sitting so pretty. You see, I'm feeling myself. I ain't even seen it yet. I just knew it ate down, you know? You did so good. Wow. My skin looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, my brows? Yeah. I feel like this is actually like really similar to how I do my face.
Really?
Yeah.
And then the lip, like
the lip is eating. So cute. Sitting, baby. Oh, it feels so cute. Oh my gosh, yes. Girl, it's the under eye. So pretty. You.
You better work that camera, girl.
Everybody, look. It's my favorite part.
Yes.
I love it. It's so cute. It's really the lip, the brow, the lash, the eye. Wait, I didn't even see the glitter. Hold on.
The little shimmer.
The little shimmer. Absolutely. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. She ate that, but we knew that was gonna happen. Ah, it's so pretty. Make sure y'all go book if y'all are in the area. If y'all not in the area, fly out.
Period. Period. Just like that.
I love it. I love it. She ate it up. So cute. Bye, guys.